Just 50 seconds.
I'm Richard Ogendo, the Majority Leader, Homa Bay County Assembly. I also want to join my colleagues, the Majority Leader from Nyanza region, in condemning what happened in Kisii when the GSU officers were sent to raid the governor of Kisii's residence and the officers. I want to request His Excellency, the President of this country, that we are aware that nowadays an MP can just influence the CS in charge of Interior just to misuse the powers and even direct GSU to raid the governor just the way they want, just simply because they are members of Kenya Kwanza. I want to request the President of this country, thus as leaders from Nyanza, we are condemning this, and please, wherever such thing will happen again, then I'm sorry, Your Excellency, people from this region will not take it lightly. So kindly talk to your people, talk to your MPs, talk to your members of the cabinet, that let such a thing not happen again in Nyanza. I also want to say something on our